Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today I want to show you how you can add barcodes to your spreadsheets that are maybe keeping track of inventory or product or ID badges, things of that nature. We're going to look at the most common one today, and that is going to be a 39, and I'll explain that in just a minute. So let's get busy. I've got my spreadsheet, I've got my ID numbers, I've got my column created for the barcodes. Let's go. Up at the top, step one, we're going to go to our font box. We're going to go to More Fonts. From there, in the font box, search in the upper left corner, type in Barcode. You'll see a number of Libre Barcode options appear. We're going to concentrate on the Barcode 39 text today, but I would encourage you to download all of them or add all of them. That way you can be prepared for other situations and other barcode readers. So we've selected those. Okay. And now to do this quickly, here's what I would advise you to do. Up at the top, click on your column that you've got that barcode you want to be in. We're going to click and we're going to change that font to Barcode 39. From there, we're going to change the size to 39. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow my barcode reader to actually read it well. And it's also going to allow my printing of those different barcodes to print up well. So change the font to Barcode 39, change the size of the font to 39. From there, what we're going to do is we are going to add our barcodes, but I would advise you to add an asterisk before and after all of your ID numbers. Now I do this in a really quick, easy way by adding a formula. I'm going to just put my barcode formula into my first row that I want it to appear in, and then we'll copy it down. So I will make this large for you to see easily, but we're going to go to my cell. I'm going to go into the formula box. We're going to paste that in there, hit enter, and now you'll see it adds that. And it's also giving me the option to autofill. Now, what's cool about autofill? This could do up to 40,000 rows worth of data. How cool is that? So I'm just going to select my autofill. We could also grab that little box in the lower right-hand corner if we wanted to. But just that quickly, I've added that for all of my barcodes and my ID numbers. Now, the other piece is down below, you'll see that I have a barcode that's actually extended with a dash and maybe has letters and things like that. You can use that one as well with that same formula that we just did. And then if you want to use the text option, we're just going to grab that one below because that's a copy of it. We'll go to the top and we're going to grab that 39 text. You'll see that it just puts the text underneath your barcode so that maybe you can quickly read and identify that from there. So with that, that is how you can add barcodes quickly and easily to any of your Google Sheets. And until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update. This is Gary the Google Guy signing off.